Welcome back everybody. I'm just going to teach you some more things in PHP. Now you can see that index.php is empty. Why? This index.php belongs to the CMS folder which is inside the PHP folder, but this is empty. Why this is empty? When I just go to the browser, now I can get the page, okay? In the same folder, same thing, all the thing which I just made in the previous classes, you can see everything is fine, but actually this is empty just because I just made another page named the post.php and I just duplicated all the data of the index.php to post.php. If you just want to see the post.php, you can see this here. Okay, now the new thing is actually after the container. Okay, you know that container is first of all the header, the second thing is the container, and after the container this is the footer. But before the footer I just added, or I just simply created a new div which has the 50% or I think I should delete the margin. Okay, simply this container has no margin actually, but 50% height and 50% width. So actually I just created a block because this was just covering the space of my post. So now this is more perfect. Now you can see that I can see the down area. Okay, it's because this is a fixed element, so it was just covering the down area of this post. Actually it was not looking like the same layout, okay, because this was just following some kind of fixed rules. So by the way, why I just pasted all the data of index.php to the post.php, and why I just deleted or just cleared all the index.php is because I just want the index.php in another way. First of all, I'm just copying the data back and just paste it here. Now let's just refresh this page. Now this is the same like the post.php, but what I'm just going to do is actually this is the container area. Where is the container area? Here is the container area after the header. Okay, now in the container area I'm just going to delete some text. Okay, this is the text which is inside the first panel, so I'm just deleting the text here. All of the text has been deleted by me. Let's just refresh that. Now you can see that the text I just deleted most of the text from here. And now what I'm just going to do, actually I am just going to minimize the size of this image. Refresh that now. In this way, actually you know that in the index page there should be a lot of posted, not only one post, so I'm just adjusting this page to carry on multiple posted. So instead of just minimizing this into 50%, the 100% is more perfect. But how to manage that? Actually I have to create some kind of columns. Okay, this is the main column. This column, there are main two columns, and inside this column I'm just creating some more columns with the div tag. Okay, the div tag, and this is another column, and in this column I'm just adding the class of col lg3. Okay, inside this column, oh sorry about that, I'm just deleting this column from here. Actually I have to create the column after the header. Okay, here, because the panel should be clear as a raw, but inside single panel I'm just going to create the column. Okay, and one column for image and second column for the data text. So here I'm just adding the class, and this is the thing which I'm just talking about, the col lg3. Okay, duplicate that. Now just cut this image and paste that in the col lg3 in this way. Paste that and now refresh that in this way. Now I got the image with very small size. The image is still 100% of this before this col lg3, the 100% of the panel body, but right now the 100% of col lg3, that is perfect. Now I'm just cutting all the text, all the p tag actually, and pasting this inside the col lg3. Obviously I'll change the size later on, but right now I'm just pasting that. Okay, really simple thing which I just did here. Now let's just refresh that. This is the thing which I just made. The problem is that the size is really small. It should be 8. Refresh that. This is looking more cool, and this should be 4. refresh that. Now this is looking more perfect. Obviously the text are too much, the sentence are too much longer than required. Let's just refresh that. Now I got a small text. This is the thing which I just want to do. Something more which I have to do after this column, I am just going to create some more things. Here the a tag, okay, href, and here I'm just covering this a tag, ending tag, and here I'm just adding the hash, and here I'm just typing read more. Okay, this link can be very important, as you knew. Now this is the read more link, and what I'm just going to add with this, some classes. The class should be bdn, okay, bdn, and press in space and type bdn primary. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the bdn, looking perfect and actually nice. So when I just click on this link, or when any user clicks on this link, we'll get all the data or the complete post. Actually on this page I'm just linking up the post.php. Save that. Now refresh that. When I just click on read more, I can get all the data with full of content. So what more I have to do? First of all, the first post is not looking really cool. This should look like the header of the index.php. By the way, we can do a lot of things, but right now I am just going here and simply, actually I'm just deleting that or cutting that and pasting top of the body instead of inside the body. Okay, why I just did that? Because I'm just changing the header into heading, and heading, as you knew, that must be before the body. Let's just refresh that. Now I got the heading, okay, within a specific color, but this color is not looking really cool. We can change the color by adding any color, like here I'm just changing the default into success. Now save that, go to the browser and refresh that. This is a green color, looking more cool than that previous color, by the way. So what more I'm just going to do here, get back a little. Okay, now this should be h3. H2 is looking really big for this. Save that. Now refresh that. This is looking more good. Or the h4. What about the h4? I'm just checking that. Okay, not confirmed, but just checking, as I said. So refresh that again. Really small, so h3 is more preferred. Save and go back and just check the result. Okay, perfect. Now just simply copy the whole panel. Okay, don't go out of the section, just copy the panel and paste it. Now save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got multiple posts in the same page. This is the thing which I just done there. Actually I just completed the basic template of this website. I will create the comment area and other things in some next classes, so stay tuned, and we will do some kind of database in next class. So goodbye and stay tuned.